Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today, I have a real treat for you. We're diving into the world of superfoods and exploring the incredible health benefits of a unique mixture: cucumber, avocado, green apple, ginger, and honey. Trust me, you won't want to miss this. Before we continue, please take a moment to hit that like button below. It helps our channel reach more people who might benefit from these health tips. Additionally, if you haven't already, please consider subscribing to our channel, so you'll never miss out on our latest videos and health-related content. And if you think your friends and family would enjoy this video or find it useful, don't hesitate to share it with them. Sharing is caring, and together, we can inspire a healthier world. Introduction to superfoods. First, let's talk about what makes these ingredients so super. Each of them brings a powerhouse of nutrients and health benefits to the table. Cucumber benefits. Cucumbers are mostly water, making them incredibly hydrating. They are also packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that promote healthy skin, aid in digestion, and may also help manage weight. Avocado benefits. Next up, we have the creamy and delicious avocado. Avocados are rich in heart-healthy monounsaturated fats, fiber, and a host of vitamins and minerals. They're great for your skin, hair, and can also support weight management. Green apple benefits. Moving on to green apples, they're not only crisp and refreshing but also a fantastic source of dietary fiber and antioxidants. They can help regulate blood sugar levels and boost your immune system. Ginger benefits. Now, let's spice things up with ginger. Ginger is well known for its anti-inflammatory properties. It can help soothe nausea, support digestion, and also reduce muscle pain. Honey benefits. Last but not least, honey, nature's sweet nectar. Honey is not just a natural sweetener, it's also packed with antioxidants, can help soothe a sore throat, and also have antibacterial properties. The mixture. Now, imagine the magic that happens when we combine these superfoods into a single elixir. It's a nutritional powerhouse that can supercharge your health and well-being. Preparing the elixir. Let's whip up this superfood elixir. We'll need 1 cucumber, half an avocado, 1 green apple, a thumb-sized piece of ginger, a cup of water, and a drizzle of honey. Blend it all together, and you're ready to experience its benefits. Once you've blended everything together, take a moment to savor the aroma and vibrant green color. It's a feast for the senses. Remember, this elixir is versatile. You can enjoy it as a refreshing morning drink, a midday pick-me-up, or even as a healthy snack. The best part? It tastes as good as it is for you. The natural sweetness of the green apple and honey perfectly balances the zing of the ginger and the creaminess of the avocado. This superfood mixture is a fantastic way to give your body a boost of essential nutrients. Whether you're looking to improve your skin, support your digestion, or enhance your overall health, this elixir might be your new best friend. Before we wrap up, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos on health and nutrition. And of course, give this superfood elixir a try and let us know how it works for you in the comments below. Thank you for watching, stay healthy, and see you in the next video.